Hi, we're Sharon and Andy. Welcome to Finca Live.
In 2019 we bought a derelict finca that used to be a bodega in the Murcia region of Spain. The building was an empty shell with no main services, water, electric or sewage, and we're restoring it, doing all the work ourselves with the view to giving us an off-grid, debt-free home.
In addition to this, self-sufficiency is very important to us, so we're going to aim to produce as much of our own food as possible, and the idea behind these videos is to log our progress, but also to provide you with something you hopefully find interesting and informative. Please join us on our journey.
So I'm in the bedroom. This is our next project. We're just clearing it out. We're just going to start it now actually. Unfortunately, we've got a little bit of clearing up to do first, so we made a right mess with the bathroom. So our first job is to clear this lot. It's all the cardboard packaging from the shower tray, the loo, all the bits of used offcuts from the wood. We did try and keep it as tidy as we could, but it ended up like this. So our first job is to clear this lot out. So we've cleared out the main room, apart from things we're going to be using in the bedroom. Floorboards and things over there, a few tools down there, boxes of light fittings and plug sockets and various plumbing bits we're going to need. Coming into the bedroom, we've even tidied up the wires a bit. The first thing we're going to tackle in here is the ceiling. That's a temporary light. Well, over the years there's obviously been some settling in the walls, and we've got a little crack formed right where the wall meets the ceiling all the way along. So the first thing we're going to do is see if we can get something to stick to that and fill that in. We're going to be using sand and lime to keep with the traditional building things. It's quite sunny today, still got the lovely view out of the window. Right, we're using 50% sand, 50% lime mix. Because it's on the ceiling and I'm not the greatest plasterer in the world, it makes it nice and sticky, so hopefully it'll stick to the roof, the ceiling. Let's have a go. I do get more on the floor than on the... Okay. The beauty with sand and lime, give it about an hour, or any extra rough on the outside just brushes off. And we're actually going to paint this whole lot with a lime wash, which we make ourselves some lime putty. When we come to that, obviously we'll show you that. Right, I'm going to carry on and do the rest of them. Okay, those are now all done, and we've just been experimenting with a bit of a texture on the wall. It's hard to make out because the window's so bright, but we've got a bit of a mess around the window where we installed the window. You can see on that side, and what we've done, just again using a 1 part lime, 1 part sand mix, put a texture coating on this side of the wall to blend it in with the edge of the window. We don't know if it's going to work. It doesn't matter because in a day or two it'll just scrape off easily anyway, because it takes quite a long time to set hard. This is the wire here for our temporary light in the bedroom. I'm going to actually bury that into the wall now and into the roof so it can't be seen. Right, I'm going to chisel out a channel in the wall to bury that cable in, just using an air hammer. We like our air tools, plenty of noise. Yeah. So we made our channel. I'm just pinning the cable up to the beam. The plasters will sort that out when they come in. Not the easiest. Okay, that's done. We're just going to sort this light out now.
Okay, so Andy's just filling in the channel that he's just made with the air hammer, fitted the cable in.
I get more on the floor than I get on the,
yeah, it's not very
on the
good.
roof.
That's where I come and clear over. Yeah, so once that dries, it's sand and lime, it dries quite light anyway, and then we'll just paint over it. I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine.
All the rust off will brush off.
Good job. There we go, all filled in, ready for painting. Well done, Andy.
As promised, we said we'd introduce you to the cats. So you've had the house tour, here's the cat tour. They're all 6 of them, all rescued. In fact, there's one here now. This is little Tabby cat. And we've also just got back from seeing the pups. So we'll show you those as well. Tickle. Dolly, tickle. Hello, Dolly. You're the cutest cat in the world. And you're Tabitha cat, aren't you? A very pretty one. I'll walk off then. You got a tickle, I want to tickle. Meow. And this is Jessie. Jessie, hello babe, you've got your tongue sticking out, sticking your tongue out. Oh, bless you. This is Dolly Dot Dot with the big eyes and the white whiskers. Dotty! Dolly Dot Dot! There we go, big eyes you've got. Daddy's filming you. And that's Beryl under there yawning. Have you just woken up? Have you just woken up? Beryl's special. A bit more of the cutest cat in the world. She lies like this all the time. And here's Whisker now. And this is Beryl again, the naughtiest cat in the world. It thinks it can help itself. It's a law unto itself. Or she's a law unto herself. It's feeding time. There's a Beryl there. Jesse's on the floor. Whisker's leaning over the chair. Dottie's sat over there.
Hey, come on. There you go.
Dolly Tickle's there. And Tabby Cat is there. This one doesn't live here, he just comes for his dinner, don't you? You noisy. How noisy are you? This is Mum. Look at you. You're bonkers.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Oh, look at the camera. Oh, the baby.
Look at the silly mummy.
Oh, the baby.
Oh, they love each other as well.
Oh, no. Yes. Okay, that's it for today. We've made a start on the bedroom. We've introduced you to the cats. We've chosen our puppies. It's been a great day. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, and you've not already done so, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button to receive notification of future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.